Alright guys, welcome back to Stu's DIY. Today's video, I got some Schedule 80 3/4 inch pipe from Menards and got some downspouts, so obviously you can tell what project we're doing. So we're going to go ahead and put some downspouts, the 3x4s, and replace the 2x3s on the front roof gutter downspout and the back roof gutter downspout area. That is the biggest watershed, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that one and replace the one in the front today. All right guys, we're on this job here. So the goal is to replace the old downspouts with 3x4s instead of 2x3s to allow more water flow here in the front of the house. Got everything I think I need, hopefully. And so now let's see here. So now it runs, it's just a little jog and then down, and then it 45s out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from here and I'm going to run it this direction instead of through all the bedding and everything out that way. I'm just going to cut it and run it right along the driveway out to the sidewalk area. So I'll set you up on a time lapse and we will start taking all this off, and I'll just use the anchor points that I already have, one there and one up there. That way I don't have to drill into the mortar. We'll just reuse what they have already, and it should be somewhat seamless. The only thing that'll be kind of tight is when we have to cut in the new hole. So we'll make it work though. I got 10 snips, sawzall. You know, we'll make it work. So all right, I'll set you up on time lapse. Alright guys, so I got all the downspouts completed. I didn't have footage of the back downspout, I just did the footage of the front. After you see this clip end, basically all I did was put the transition piece down the driveway, so wasn't much to see there, then just did cleanup. So alright, if you like this stuff, drop a comment down below. Alright everyone, so I got this A-coil, scrap A-coil and scrap condenser from my neighbor. He didn't want to use it, so he set it out at the curb, so I said I'd grab it. So here you'll see me taking apart the A-coil, which goes on top of the furnace, which allows the condenser to cool the air using the A-coil. Basically I'm just cutting all the copper, the raw copper, off of the edge of the coil, which you see me stacking up there. And so I'm just cutting the raw copper off, getting it prepped and ready for the scrapyard. I could have tried to pull those steel ends off, but they just said they didn't care. I'm just prepping my number 2 copper there for the scrapyard. So you'll see me basically just clean up as I go, and then here in a little bit you'll see, oh, there I am dragging that condenser in. I'm resetting it back up. I'm just taking all the screws off, going to basically disconnect everything, and then go ahead and cut the coil up, disconnect the motor, and take the condenser, as you see, cutting right there. So the condenser is the big round piece kind of right in front of me. It's heavy, full of oil, but they do take it at my local scrapyard. So it will be it's a cool little video. Just shows, you know, the inner workings of a air conditioner for your house. I'm just taking it apart, scrapping it out, and yeah, we'll see what we get at the end. I will be taking this to the scrapyard in the later part of this video and show you what a little bit of copper, a little bit of brass, and A-coil and condensers go for. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so you saw here we got the air conditioner, scrap air conditioner cut up. I found it on the side of the road, so figured why not grab it, make a little video, make a little extra money. Took me about 10 minutes to take it apart. I'm going to pull the motor and fan off that chunk of metal there, and then sweep all this up, do a little cleaning. Alright guys, so we're gonna head to the scrapyard. I got electric motor, some number 2 copper, small bucket of brass, battery, some aluminum, and then obviously you saw me take this apart and scrap it out. I have some copper / aluminum radiators over there, and some gutters from the previous job of installing new gutters, 3x4s on the house, and got rid of 2x3s. So let's see what we get. Stay tuned. Okay, so I pulled the scale over here. Okay. I got steel and aluminum and top copper brass. Yep. Okay. Okay. Alright, sounds good. Let me talk to the boys real quick. Alright. All right, guys, so just got out of the scrap yard. Looks like gross weight was 58.80. Net weight was 100 pounds. I got, you know, $7 in steel, $5 in aluminum. Yellow brass was 10. Sealed unit compressor was 13. Battery was 6. But the most was the aluminum radiators at $49. So we grand total of 118 even. So nice little haul.